Some Pixel news. We have some Pixel 5 features rolling out to older Pixels, Pixel 4s and things like this. And people had wondered if some of those software features were going to reach those older models, including one of your favorite features, Hold for Me, which is when you're on a phone and someone puts you on hold.
Yeah.
It's this feature that lets the assistant remain on hold instead of you.
I'll put you on hold.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. Take that.
Not only will I put you on hold, but I'll put you on hold with my assistant.
Yeah.
You see how cool that is? So that's rolling out to the older Pixels, all the way back to the Pixel 3 or newer. And this is the beauty of being in the Pixel side of things, is you're going to catch those updates and those new features first, even if you're on an older Pixel, if you're inside of Pixel land.
Cool.
What else are you going to get? You are going to get the battery saving feature, Extreme Battery Saver, which limits certain apps and only runs the essential features to stop unnecessary power drain. So Pixel 5 feature that was going to roll out on the older Pixels as well. You're going to get a boost for the video call app Duo to its screen sharing feature, and a new availability for group calls. Also, the Pixel 5 is going to get a new adaptive sound feature. Well, they all will, but Pixel 5 doesn't have this feature yet. We'll use a combination of machine learning and the phone's microphone to detect where you are and what's happening around you, and it will improve the sound of your music. So that's kind of an adaptive audio feature coming to the phone itself, which is kind of cool as well. But as mentioned, this is just one of the benefits of being part of the Pixel ecosystem. Google working on its very own ecosystem. There's certain advantages there, especially on the software side.